What's going on, everybody? 5:21 a.m., February 26th. Almost wrapping this month up here. This morning, we're going to take a couple different looks here at Casper. Trading at, looks like 0.749 cents on this early Saturday morning. Looks like the general stock market, on the other hand, has bottomed. And will this correlate into the crypto markets? We could see a bottom already in, and it's looking that way. We undercut this low here on the 22nd. We undercut that over here on the 24th of February, and we are moving higher. Good sight to see. We are also above this low here, which is that 7-cent area. You can see that the price is trading above that. So that was that first area in the sand when we were falling that I was looking for Casper to find support. And while we undercut that, we are trading back above that now. Although it is not much, we are trading above that. So that is a good sight to see. If you look further down on the screen, you can see I have a level right here at this 5 cent. So if we continued to fall, which so far we haven't, that was that next area in the sand, which correlates over to this July 21 area, this 5 cent area. I would be looking for the price to find support there. We might not get down there. We will know in the coming days or even further. It looks like we're bouncing here at an area of support. Sometimes these lows, let's move back up to the 7 cent area. Sometimes these lows, like right here and right here, sometimes when the price gets back down there, like it has recently, now though it did close below that, but sometimes you can get a wick below that 7 cent area and then close above it. And that's actually quite bullish. You can kind of see it over here. So you put a low in right in here. Looks like this low was 8.9 cents. And then we kind of bounced on it here, and then we really undercut it, dropped quick, closed in the upper half of the candle, not above it, and then we actually went on to rally. So sometimes the highs and lows need to be taken out, and then the trend will change in the opposite direction. So that's quite interesting. Are we seeing that here? Well, if the market bottomed, then we should see that. Yeah, we should see higher prices to come here for Casper. Now, longer term, we are extremely bullish on Casper. This is more of a looking out just a couple days here. Also, we are still in a downtrend for Casper. You can see we have a lower high printed right here. And then that rolls over to a lower low, rallies back up, lower high, and this was a lower low. So the question is, does this print another lower high, or do we take out that high and print a higher high? If we print the higher high, that is the confirmation we are looking for a new uptrend to be unfolding right before our eyes. So that is what we are looking for. We want to see Casper print this higher high. Now, you could argue that if we get above this level here, this 9 cent, 0.92-ish, that could be the higher high. We're actually looking for the high above here, which would be more of that almost 10 cents, a little bit, the high 9s, 9.8, 9.9. So that's kind of what we're looking for here. We have been accumulating Casper on this downside move, and any further downside we would also actually be accumulating some more Casper. Of course, not financial advice. We really want to see, though, we want to see that confirmation that the trend has changed from lower highs and lower lows to higher highs, and then setting up a higher low, and then that next wave up can be a very strong move, that next higher high. Will it unfold that perfect? Well, we'll have to come back and look. We could just see something like a massive move up, taking out all of these highs. All depends how strong the general market is and how the whales who move the markets, how much patience they have, I guess. If they really want to do something like this over here, massive candles like this, then never doubt them. They do have the powers to do stuff like that. Or even candles like this right here. So we will see. All right, so let me just throw some fibs up here. Now I'm just going to go from these highs here, that $4 range, down to these lows in here, since this is pretty much where all the trading has taken place. Now you could go down to this low here, but I'm just not going to do that. I'm going to stick to right in here. And you can see, to get us just back up to the 0.236 is right around that $1.07 range. So there is a lot of potential for upside prices for CASPER cryptocurrency. And then, like I said in other videos, we are extremely bullish on CASPER and expect much higher prices. Just to get us back up to this range, that's a $4 plus $4.50 CASPER. So that is kind of what we are looking for here on CASPER. Now, not too much has changed since the last videos, although we did bounce from here and we're back above that low. Good to see. Yeah, we have some work to do. Patience are a huge tool you need to have in the crypto markets and in the general market as well. Those who are patient will get rewarded. All right, everybody, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Thank you to all of the new and current subscribers. Go ahead and hit that like button if you found this video entertaining or helpful. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts. And my analytics say that a lot of people watching my videos are not yet subscribed. So if you're into the crypto and markets, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for some further videos. You guys have a great weekend, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care.